Hello, Sanya. This is my feedback to your evidence evaluation paragraph. Now, the idea was not to evaluate the performance of your groupmate, but of the video. Take one evidence that the speaker is using in the video and then evaluate that one, right? And the speaking club was just supposed to help you have a discussion about these things before you write the paragraph. So in the exam, obviously, you're not going to write this kind of paragraph talking about what your groupmate said. Okay, so I'm not even sure how I can evaluate this particular paragraph that you wrote. But let me just use this screencast since I'm giving feedback, just to remind you about the main points. First of all, if you really want to know what the task is about, you would get more clarification. Go back to the model. There is a very good model for week 11, and just look at the examples. This will give you a much better idea. Hopefully in today's small group tutorial things became a little clearer to you. Also, if you want to know more about what's representative, sufficient, and relevant, there is a very good document. Go back to that. It's on Google Classroom. It's one of the past weeks. I don't remember which week exactly, but this was a document that we asked you to read. It's a very lengthy, detailed document explaining what sufficient, relevant, and representative means. Next week, there will be another model coming up, and it will discuss the immigration video that we discussed today in the small group tutorial. So basically what you will need to do, and if you want to redo this task, you can do that, no problem, or you can just focus on next week. It's up to you. Basically, the first step is to take very good notes of the supporting ideas and the evidence used for each supporting idea, just like the model is showing. So go back to the model and study it. It will help you a lot. After that, pick one supporting idea and the evidence used to prove that supporting idea. The first step is to write an identification paragraph of 75 to 100 words. And the next step is to write an evidence evaluation paragraph of 150 to 200 words. And this is what you have to write here. And that should discuss the relevance, the sufficiency, the relevance, and the representativeness of that paragraph. Okay? So I hope this is clear. Next week we're going to have another round of practice. We'll do the mock listening, and hopefully everything will become more clear. If you need more clarification, you're more than welcome to stop by my office hour on Wednesday. We can have a look if you want to rewrite this paragraph, really looking at the evidence of that speaker, about the video about the systemic bias in internship programs. If you want to do that, that's fine. If you want to take another paragraph, for instance, the TED-Ed video about the vaccination, you could do that. Or the one about immigration, any paragraph that you want to use as an example, we can discuss it, and I can help you. So I hope you have understood what you need to do, because this paragraph is obviously just commenting on the performance of a groupmate, and that's not what you need to do for the exam. I'm sure you know that already. Okay, so I hope this is helpful to you, Sonia. Good luck. If you need any clarification, please ask for help. Okay?